Surprise! Opening the lock of the smartphone with a cut finger. New technology is being created day by day to facilitate security. Similarly, the lock system has been made to protect the privacy of the mobile. Again, this smartphone is protected by the user's fingerprint. And a strange thing happened with unlocking the smartphone with his fingerprint. Yuri Vinogradov, a resident of Belarus, the 53-year-old had his thumb amputated while working in a factory 3 months ago, due to which he could not open the lock of the smartphone with finger lock. He kept the cut finger in the fridge, but recently he claimed that he unlocked the smartphone with the cut finger kept in the freezer. He posted the unlocking video on social media. Then the discussion started with the subject. As can be seen in the video, he took out the cut finger kept in the fridge. Then he tried to open the lock of the smartphone with that finger, but the lock did not open. Then he dipped his finger in the water for 10 minutes, removed from the water and whipped well. This time the lock was opened after holding the finger on the smartphone a few minutes. However, as soon as this video was spread, the controversy started because several studies say that it is not possible to unlock the phone with a cut finger. The electrical circuit of the fingerprint reader of the smartphone is needed to open the lock. The human hand works in the circuit, but that condition is not met with a cut finger. So questions have already been raised about the legitimacy of the Belarusian man's claim. Their job is to wake people up, get hefty salary. Their job is to wake people up, and the salary was allocated for this. The name of this profession was knocker up. In Britain, some people were employed in such jobs. The alarm has not been set yet, and so both men and women used to wake up and work on cotton. They would leave early in the morning at the homes of those who wanted to wake up on time. When they came home, they would first knock on the window or door with a stick until they wake up. Otherwise, he would have played the flute. Salvation could be obtained from their hands only after waking up. Everyone who did this got paid. But now this profession no longer exists. Just as the people who used to sleep have lost their sleep with the age, so have the people who have lost their sleep. The animal has been in the same place for 7 years. It's shocking news, yeah. Surely you played the statue as a child. If you call each other a statue, stop moving. Similarly, an animal has been a statue for 7 consecutive years. You must be surprised. In fact, researchers in Europe have found such an animal. This salamander is a marine animal. It is a chameleon-like amphibian. This animal lives in different caves in Europe. It is also called the cave dweller salamander because of its cave dwelling. Their location in a dark place. They have no eyes and pale skin. These salamanders can survive year after year without food. A team of scientists from Bosnia and Herzegovina presented the information in a report published in the Journal of Zoology on January 26. Researchers have found the animal to stay in one place for 2,569 days. The study was led by Gargeli Velas, a researcher at the University of Eötvös Loránd in Hungary. These salamanders stay in the same place, he said. At this time, the animal do nothing. Researchers also say that some small salamanders can move from one place to another if they come across animals of the same species. However, this is also very rare. Such incidents occur once in an era.